Hello YouTube, this is Joanne coming to you again with a quick tutorial on how you do your two-strand twists. It's a process, so I didn't want to do all of this and waste your time, but I just appreciate you coming to my channel. I'm gonna do it quick, just show you how to do it, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the end result. First, I wash my hair, I deep condition it, and then I put this in it. It's a Shea Moisture curl enhancing smoothie. And you gotta have the echo. And then I sprayed my hair with a little bit of this. So I just started off and put this, got a little bit of echo gel, and put it in my hair. Just want you to show you, I know everybody's doing different hairstyles, but honestly, I'm not going to even lie to you. Love this hairstyle. It stays, I keep it for like roughly like 2 to 3 weeks. And I love it. I mean, I really love this hairstyle. It is so cool. Like literally cool. I'm just parting it, so grab a piece of hair right there. And just take the two strands and twist it all the way down, and take your time when you come to the end, because I want to show you how I knot it. Like it's a little bowl. I put a little bowl on the bottom, take it, twist it around. I messed up it. Take it, twist it around, make a little knot so it doesn't come loose at night, like that. See? And you take that back. Wait, the part is not even good. I'm gonna part it again. And do this. I take my hand. Parts don't have to be all that, perfect. So you just twist. Love this style. Two-strand twist. And makes your hair it makes your hair grow, because you're not combing it a lot. You're not brushing, like combing it and getting it all brittle. That's why these is very good to put in your hair, and it makes your hair grow. You just twist. I try not to do the small ones because it's a process, but when it's a good process. So yep, so this is how we do it. And I'm gonna do a couple more, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, well, I'm gonna do this last one with you, and make sure you take it and twist it around, make a little ball, flip it over. I'll be right back. Okay, hello, this is Joanne again. Almost finished with the hair. Just want to show you how it's looking. Just want to tell you to thank you. I want to say thank you for coming to my channel. And if you like more hair tutorials, like and subscribe, and I'll be more than happy to do more for you. So I'm gonna part this a little bigger because my hair my hair is growing, so I don't have to make them all that small. Could make them pretty seasoned, like pretty reasonable. So I do like a lot of product in my hair, so that's why you see all the white stuff. That's this stuff right here, the curl enhancing smoothie. It smells good. I'm not really crazy about it. I like other stuff. Like I'm gonna have to check out. I'm gonna put some on the bottom, some links on the bottom, and I'm gonna put some different products. And you tell me, let me know if you like any of the ones that I put. Cause the curl enhancing smoothie, it's okay, but as you can see, it leaves white residue in my hair. I mean, just only when it's wet, but when it dries up, it's okay. Just that it's messy. I don't like all that messiness, but you know what? It's okay. I want you to see the definition of the hair, and always remember when you do this, try to make a little thing on the bottom. You don't have to be perfect. So, yep. I haven't did this style in a couple weeks, but I love to do it because I could do it and I could keep it in for like 3 weeks. So that's why I like to do it. It's so cool if when it's finished and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Do a couple more, let you know my process, okay? Just want you to know how it looks on that twist. Be right back, all right? Hello, you two. I'm back, and I'm showing you the end result of my 2-strand twists. Show you the back. Hope you can see it really good. I did the whole head. And just want to say thank you for sticking it out with me. I'm going to show you the products again that I use. I use the Echo with olive oil, the Shea Butter Curl Smoothie, and just basic water. It looks a little cloudy, but it's just water. But it's good stuff. But anyway, yeah. So here's the end result. And I just want to say thank you for coming to my channel. And if you like more tutorials, hair tutorials, like and subscribe, and I'll do more videos on hair tutorial. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Appreciate you. And I'm gonna say thank you again. If you like this, comment on the bottom. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the process, how it looks after. So, take care. Bye-bye. Enjoy the video.